this video feels like it's starting to get all over the place, and that's because my thoughts is like all over the place, and I'm procrastinating by holding this camera talking to you all. That's kind of like my little escape from getting into what I know I really should be doing. Yeah, this video is starting out, I don't know, kind of weird. Not my normal intro, but no, seriously, I need to clean up my boutique, and I don't want to do it. Do you want to do it? You want to clean up? Did he just walk out the door? Hold on. I don't believe his behind didn't want to be on camera. So anyway, let me show y'all what I need to do. So, okay. This is the vanity. If you're a newbie watching me for the very first time, let me show you what my vanity do. This is the remote. Notice there's different colors on the remote. We're going to and then we are going to party over here. Blast some music while I clean up. Party over here. So my vanity changes colors. Yeah, sometimes I have a party in here when I'm doing my makeup or whatever with myself. I'll just blast some music and, you know, let the lights flash, and I'll be doing the party. This really helps to set the mood when I'm going out, you know. Or I can do it on auto, where the lights gradually change color. See, it's green, it's going darker green, it's going into a teal blue. I know this might look white, but it's like a teal blue. And yeah, the colors change. I'm not going to spend much time on this, but this is my vanity. So anyway, off with the lights. So here's the vanity. Here's the cluttered vanity. I need to put away, you know, my nails that I just recently had on. My dainty jewelry and whatnot. My little beauty blender dish. And the cleaning thing for it. I need to put this goodie away that's in there. And this is the vanity. So this is how I store things in the vanity. But the real thing I need to do is deep clean. When I say that, you can see the dust. You see that? Dust. There's dust all on the vanity because I haven't cleaned this in such a long time. There's dust on top of the makeup, which is not a good thing. By the way, this is my makeup. And I need to take everything out and clean. See the dust? Focus. There we go. See the dust all in there? So I need to really deep clean this. It's so important that you clean your makeup storage units. I kid you not. You don't want the dust and the debris getting on your products and stuff like that. These are my palettes and whatnot that I need to clean again. You see the dust on there? That's not good. So that's what I mean by I need to deep clean my vanity. The cutaways of this is going to be crazy because my mind is like all over the place, just like how this video probably is going. And I apologize about that. That's what's making this video so weird, because it's like jumping all over the place. No real consistency to anything, but hey, that's what life is about. And if I can't be open and transparent with you all, then what am I even bothering doing on here? Like, seriously, this is me. This is the real me. Procrastinating, having to deal with cleaning up that I really just don't do. And me holding this camera, me holding this camera is part of the procrastination, because it helps me to avoid really doing it, because I could just stand here and talk to you all about it, and then that means it's taken away from me actually doing it. Yeah, well, help me out here. Tell me, how do you handle procrastination? Seriously, How do you deal with procrastination? How do you find the motivation to do the adult things that you really don't feel like doing? Like, you know, how do you do it? Help me out, because a lot of times you watch my videos, or if you're a newbie past due, you see me for the very first time. First and foremost, my name is Glam. Welcome to the Miss Glamoretic YouTube channel, and I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. But tell me this, to everyone that's watching, how do you deal with procrastination? How do you handle adulting tasks that you really just don't want to do? Like, you know, yeah. So I want to now watch the comments in the comment section instead of you just watching me in this video. All right, seriously, that's it. I got to get out of this procrastination bug. I'm going to tackle this vanity. You hear me? We here, right? I'm going to tackle this vanity. I'm not going to pretend that I can do this all in one day. However, I am going to know that it will get done. So I am tackling this vanity, and I know Rome wasn't built in one day, so I'm gonna take my time and get through this process. But I'm really looking forward to everybody's comment down in the comment section, sharing what are some tips you have on how to deal with procrastination, or if you want to, what is something that you know you need to stop procrastinating on. Okay, dolls, so here's a progress update. As you can see, I took everything off the shelves. The vanity is now completely empty. Okay, it is empty and ready to be deep cleaned. Look at all that dust and debris. Tragic. Look at this. Thank the Lord that this here is like paper. So all of this is paper, right? All I gotta do is remove that paper and go ahead and put some new paper down once I wipe it off and clean it and stuff like that. You know, because all of this is paper. And this is my progress for today. So I'm going to not do any more today because I don't want to overwhelm myself. Because like I said before, doing stuff like this can get overwhelming. So I'm gonna do a little bit today like I did. I cleared it all out, and I will start cleaning this tomorrow, as well as a bunch of other stuff that I see I need to do. But at least let me show you what I done took out of here. Okay, dolls, so this is everything that was in my vanity. I just stacked it up right here, and I need to go through this stuff piece by piece and declutter it. This is all the nail polishes I put in the bag. All the nail polishes put in the bag, and I'm going to go through this piece by piece, clean what I want, toss what I don't, clean what I want, and toss what I don't. And this is everything that was inside that vanity. So on that note, this is now going to conclude the video. I'm gonna give myself a huge pat on the back for all the hard work that I know I did today, which is why I'm now going to conclude this video, because what I know I just did right now, I'm gonna take a break, I'm gonna step away from this, and then tomorrow when I get up, I'll start doing the deep cleansing process and relining the shelves, and then I gotta clean off the makeup that I want to keep to put back into this vanity. Okay, and what I don't want, I'm going to toss. Even if I know I used it once or twice and I think it still has some life left in it, no, it's going to go. Whew. So on that note, this concludes the video. Thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see y'all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.